Titration, also known as titrimetry, is a chemical qualitative analysis technique that is used to calculate the concentration of a given analyte in a mixture. Now, what is analyte and titrant? An analyte is the substance whose quantity or concentration is to be determined, or we can say that the solution which is in the flask is analyte. The titrant is the solution of a known concentration which is added to another solution whose concentration has to be determined, or we can say that the solution which is in the burette is titrant. Chemicals and materials required. An indicator, a flask, a burette, clamp with stand, beakers. Types of titration. There are 4 types of titration. Acid-base titration, redox titration, precipitation titration, complexometric titration. Subscribe for more.